turns a building into an iconic landmark. Taking inspiration from the most famous town squares from cities around the world. Padma Bhushan architect Hafiz Contractor identified the common unique elements that turns a space into a center of attraction. Thus was born the grand vision of Town Central, an homage to modern and Roman styles of architecture, a structure of such epic scale and visual grandeur as to match the best of iconic structures around the world. So, what makes building into a popular destination? Location and access. As you cross the busy metro station of Sector 52, just a bare 5-kilometer ride takes you through the FNG corridor to the Kisan Chowk of Greater Noida West, right near the intersection between the 14-lane NH24 and Greater Noida. Strategically located within the heart of a densely populated area on a 130-meter wide road with the proposed metro station of Sector 16B coming up right at the doorstep. The location is the most commercially viable spot in the entire region. A grand structural design whose magnificence alone draws you in to explore and experience a space of sheer beauty. Surrounded on all three sides by the most charming landscape and hardscape dotted with crutchling fountains and sitting areas offering a colourful environment of high street culture, pubs and entertainment. A stately 20-meter wide entrance welcomes you into the very heart of this iconic structure. A soaring gigantic glass-roofed atrium whose 1-acre wide vista overwhelms you with its vast echoing space, flooded with sunlight in the day and moonlight and shimmering stars at night. Over 10 lakh square feet of commercial spaces, meticulously designed and finely crafted to host the most iconic brands across the world. Connected by meandering corridors, 9 to 15 feet in width, a shopper's dream come true, revealing new experiences and surprises at each turn. An expansive 50,000 square feet is dedicated to Anchor Store, a brand as iconic as its reputation, a shopping delight offering many levels of experiences. Town Central is a destination for all seasons, designed to draw visitors with its myriad attractions day or night. From an all-in-one entertainment zone spread over 25,000 square feet in the heart of Greater Noida West, 9 screen plush multiplexes ensure a steady footfall all year round, managed by PVR Cinemas. Featuring the latest blockbusters and select cult films for movie buffs of every genre. A 64,000 square feet destination banqueting area offers double-height columnless hall. Banquets with rooms allows your guests never to leave the excitement of the event. Food courts and kiosks abound, offering a seating capacity for more than 900 visitors. From fast food to boutique restaurants, from exotic street delicacies to mouth-watering multi-cuisine spreads, a place for every whim and fancy of the palate. Over 10,000 square feet is value-added partner Haldiram's multi-cuisine food court, featuring the best of Indian flavors. And when you want to escape far from the madding pace of city life, a world-class sky bar and lounge offers unparalleled views over the lush surrounding landscape. and shuttle lifts zip you through the multi-level floors to 5-star lobbies and a world-class hotel. The 4-star hotel, owned and managed by ITC Fortune, with over 1.5 lakh square feet area, features 150 luxuriously appointed rooms. Quiet elegance of stately hospitality ensures a steady stream of national and international visitors. For larger affairs and big fat Indian weddings, banqueting area offers a stunning location suitable for dining and entertainment in class and style. The office floors of the town central creates a high-rolling work culture meant for the movers and shakers of the corporate and business world. The entire vision of Town Central stands true to his name, a center of attraction, a center of activity, an epicenter of fashion and lifestyle, and a hub of entertainment. Welcome to Town Central, the destination of tomorrow.